If you want to make a quiz or survey, let's make it the right way. Hello everyone, hope you're all doing great. In this video, I want to show you how you can pipe answers to make your quizzes and surveys more engaging and more customized and personalized for your audience. So I have picked one of the templates from the marketing category and now I'm going to edit it. So in this survey, we're asking the customer's opinion on different aspects of the product they've purchased. For example, how would they rate the design or the range of products, and then we ask which product they have purchased and how likely they are to recommend our product and our brand to a friend, which is an NPS question, and these are called the CSAT or customer satisfaction questions. Now let's say we want to pipe the answer to the NPS question and say, why did you answer like 5? So I have a long text here that is asking for the suggestion. Now here I will add an ID for my NPS question and call it like NPS. This NPS is the ID I've put here, and now I'm calling the response of that here in the braces. So the only thing to pipe answers is to call the ID of the field in the braces, and it will put the value of it instead of the braces. It will be like, why did you answer 5? Any suggestions for us? But what's more interesting is that you can customize it even further. You can define that, for example, if the answer was less than 5, then show this question because I want to ask for suggestions if it was for less than 5, and if it was more than 5, for example, I don't want to show the any suggestion part, and here I want to say any suggestion for us to improve, something like that. I will save it and I'll go to the logic tab, and here you can define how to react to the responses your audience gives. So I will get to the NPS field here and add an if else. So here I will say if the answer to this question is less than or equal to 5, then jump to thank you for your feedback and ask for the improvement. But if it was more than 5, like in otherwise, I want to jump to the other thank you, which is thank you for your feedback. Why did you answer like 10? You can customize it however you want, of course, and you can edit the questions. Here it is, and everything's saved. I will refresh my form and let's see how it works. I get on to the next question. Answer 5. So you see that it's asking why did you answer 5 and any suggestion for improvement. So I'll get back and I answer 10, and you see that I'm seeing another question. Why did you answer 10? And it doesn't have the rest of the question. And also you can use answer piping for showing up a summary of the answers your users have given. For example, I will create a section field here, and I can write here that thank you for your support, and also you can add something like here is a summary of, and start answering each of the questions. For example, for the first question, I'll show you how it works. I put an ID for the design and then get to my section field here. Here I will create a table to show the responses, and here is my question, and in the next column I will add design to show that response, and let's save. I just want to show you how it works. You can customize it however you want. You can also customize the table view, for example, by clicking on this icon. When you have clicked on the table, you can customize it. For example, remove the borders, change the alignment and different styles. You can also use a custom style in the design tab to add custom CSS to your survey. So I will get to my survey here. So here we go. Perfect. So you can also remove these borders, of course, as I told you before, to make it more beautiful and make it more customized and more personalized. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, just comment down below and let us know what you think about answer piping and how it can be improved to meet your needs. And yeah, bye for now.